Well, I came into this course not really expecting what was going to be coming at me. I have a whole bunch of these students around me, and I don't know their level of knowledge versus my level of knowledge. But I think one of the more important things that I ended up picking up was diagnosing any kind of issue as a skill. I have coworkers around me that are able to do that like it's nothing. And I find that to be one of the most important things in diagnosing anything in a car wash. Whether it was him handing us components in our hand in the class, or us going down to the bay and actually watching a brush move, watching the chain fail or anything else like that. Talking about it versus seeing it in action is definitely a big difference in learning something, and that helped me keep a lot more of that knowledge inside.